Getting to know plants. I am Sai Pragyan Rath and you all know me. So I will share you a presentation about this chapter from science book of class 6. Okay, come and see. Why plant is needed for us? It provides us oxygen, it makes our environment beauty, it cleans the air. And this is the plant. Wow, how many types of plants are there? One is climber, second is creeper, and third is shrub, and fourth is herb. There are four categories of plant. And one more category is also, which is called trees also, which you know. By seeing this picture, you should understand but not clearly. Okay, I will understand you. What do you mean by transpiration? Transpiration. The water that falls to the ground is absorbed by the roots of plants and then it moves to the stem and leaves of the plant. This water converts into vapor on the leaves of the plants and go back into atmosphere as a vapor. I think you should clearly understand what is this. Okay, come to next part. How does the leaf color is green? Because in leaf a chemical is present. That chemical is called chlorophyll. Okay. This is what? Parts of plant. There are two pictures. Okay. This is leaf. This is leaf. This is flower. This is fruit. This is root. This is stem. Stem helps the plant to stand upright. Okay, come to this picture. In this picture also flower. In this picture also flower. In this picture also fruit. In this picture also fruit. In this picture also stem. And in this also stem. In this picture also a leaf. In this picture also leaf. And there are three more things. This is called node, and this is called internode, and this is called bud. I think you also know about bud. Do you know long? Long is a bud. What is bud? From bud we get flowers. If there is no bud in world, then what will happen? Then there will be no flower. Okay. This system is called which system? Shoot system. Okay, come to next system. This is what? This is root system. In root system, this is primary root, this is secondary root. And also there are two types of root. But I have not mentioned two types of root. What are they? One is taproot. Taproot. And another is fibrous root. Fibrous root. Taproot is this type. And fibrous root have no primary root. All these roots are secondary root. And that plant which are primary root, they have secondary root. Secondary root also called in taproot lateral roots. Okay. So I think you all understood about parts of plants. Thanks for watching and like, share and subscribe to my video. Bye friends.